Well, hello everyone.
Hi.
We are away on a Saturday night again. We are in,
Newquay.
that's right, we're in Newquay. Saturday night, the end of July. We're at the Atlantic Hotel in Newquay. We've got a good deal for the night. We'll let you know the price at the end, what we've paid. B&B for the night. We're going to give you a little room tour now, and also a little tour around the grounds and the hotel also as well. There is a wedding going on, however, so we won't be able to show too much, but we're here at the Atlantic Hotel in Newquay. Welcome to our room at the Atlantic Hotel here in Newquay. We're in room 204, as you can see. It's a, what sort of room is it?
It's a superior sea view double room with balcony. So,
first looks at the room. We have brought up our stuff in, so a little bit of a few belongings here. So we've got a sofa here.
Sockets by the bed, both sides.
Always a bonus.
It is, they do have a spa here, so you do have complimentary robe and slippers. They're decent quality actually, don't they? You like a slipper, don't you?
I do like a slipper.
Oh, they're not enclosed toes, sorry.
Ah, deceiving. They might do for a freebie though.
Yeah.
So we'll take you outside on the balcony in a second. Looks like a smart TV.
Decent size. Full length mirror over there. Office area, dining area.
Telephone. We are expecting a call from the receptionist in a second.
What's
Just
that coming
to,
up there?
oh, who knows? Probably for the electric meter.
I mean, you
Yeah.
can't read. Oh, I could. Oh yeah, it is the electric meter
Fuse
as well.
box.
It's a fuse box, yeah. In here, safe, complimentary water, tea, coffee. Oh, I like a Biscoff biscuit. And a little fridge. Most importantly, is it? Oh, it's Cornish coffee, but it's not Cornish tea. Cornish coffee, Cornish hot chocolate, but just Tetley tea. Can't have everything. Decent size.
Very good size wardrobe.
Hairdryer. Fan down there. No air conditioning in the rooms, but they do give you a fan, which, bearing in mind the temperatures it's been lately, needed.
Has cooled down quite a bit today. Well, it's been lovely weather. We've had a bit of lunch down in the town and a couple of drinks as you do. Nice bathroom,
Double sink.
decent shower.
Nice little top bath as well. It's a loo with a view, isn't it?
I'd say a loo for a poo with a view.
Need to try and turn that actually. I suppose maybe you don't want the seagulls looking in. Oh, there we go. Can you see that a little bit better?
Oh, that's a bit better.
Yeah, big expanse of sea there and a couple of beaches.
Bathroom's massive.
Nicely done.
Very nicely done. Nice light fittings.
And this is what it's all about. This bit, this is what you're paying for, isn't it?
Apologies for the weather. It has gone a bit grey since we not since we checked in, since we arrived. Oh, it's
It's raining.
started to rain. and we've not got any coats.
We've got dry robes, but if you know, you know. People still on the beach though.
Of course they are.
A lot of people on the beaches. You can see right down like Lusty Glaze, Watergate Bay, and just about, I don't know if you can make out on camera, they're just starting to set up the Wharfmasters, which starts the week after next.
Yeah, two weeks this weekend. So that down there used to be an outside pool. They've now boarded it over. Quite disappointed with that because it said it was heated, but obviously old information.
Yeah, and I've seen photos as well of people in the outdoor pool, and it looked, said this earlier on, it was lovely weather, wasn't it? It was really sunny, and it's just coming a bit grey.
Very grey. So there we have it. That's a room tour of our room here at the Atlantic in Newquay. We've paid £99 for tonight. It's a Saturday night. It's the 25th of July. Saturday night in Newquay, 25th of July, £99. That's the room, breakfast included. I don't know whether it's because we tried to check in early and our room wasn't ready, but we did have a voucher for 2 complimentary cocktails as well, which were priced at about 13 quid each. There,
yeah. And delicious, really good, nicely made. Very good
quality. But there we have it. This is our room at the Atlantic Hotel here in Newquay, Cornwall. It's the 25th of July 2026. Thanks for coming back to the channel, and we'll hope to be back with you soon with some more content.
Please follow us, like and subscribe.
Bye for now.
Bye.